just remember one thing, recognizing dignity. That we are just telling about the equality. Inequality, first we have to see that our dignity was sometimes it is violated. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. The dignity of both Om Prakash Valmiki and Ansari, that was just described these two stories previous day, it was violated. Okay, because of the way in which they were treated. By picking on him and making him sweep the school, because of his caste, Om Prakash Valmiki's schoolmates and teachers hurt his dignity badly and made him feel as if he was less than equal to all other students in the school. Being a child, Om Prakash Valmiki could do very little about the situation that he was in. It was his father who was seeing his son sweep, felt angry at the unequal treatment and confronted the teacher. The answer's dignity was also hurt when person refused to lease their apartment to them. However, when the property dealer suggested that they change their name, it was their dignity or the self-respect. It was refused. Okay, so we just see here that the problem arises in our country that sometimes we just our dignity we just violated the other's dignity. That is the next we it is very important, that is the equality in Indian democracy, where we just see the democracy equality. That is first the thing that guarantees the equality, it is our constitution. The Indian constitution recognizes every person as equal. This means that every individual in the country, including male and female persons from all castes, religion, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds, are recognized as equal. This is not to say that inequality ceases to exist. It does not. But at least in democratic India, the principle of the equality of all persons is recognized. While earlier no law exists to protect people from discrimination and ill treatment, now there are several that work of see that people are treated with dignity as equal. Okay, the recognition of equality includes some of the following provisions in the Constitution. Okay, so where we see that is the some provisions of the Constitution, we see that there is a dignity was that we just see there, that is the persons equal, it is described there. Okay, first that is the every person is equal before the law. So before the law, each and every person was equal. With what this means is that every person from the president of the country to Kanta, a domestic worker, has to obey the same laws. Second, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place and of birth and whether they are male or female. Third, every person has access to all public places, including playground, hotels, shops and markets. All persons can use public available wells, roads and bathing. And fourth, untouchability has been abolished. Okay, so bylaws we see that the untouchability was not practiced nowadays and it is a criminal offense, that is the untouchability. Okay, but we see that the rules, sometimes the laws are violated. Okay, the two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality is guaranteed in the Constitution is first through the laws and second through the government programs or schemes to help disadvantaged communities. There are several laws in India that protect every person right to be treated equally. In addition to laws, the government has also set up several schemes to improve the lives of communities and individuals who have been treated unequal for several centuries. These schemes are to ensure greater opportunities for people who have not had this in the past. Okay, so just like we just see here, that is that the privilege, some of the privilege is given to the other persons also. That too for the, just like that we have seen that there is a protection of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe in the different levels. And also we just see there the different, who are the, just like the gender empowerment. Gender empowerment is needed because of, we see that our girl child are treated badly. So there is a work of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This type of project was taken. And also that is the midday meal scheme was organized by the each and every primary school or the secondary school, because of to provide the basic needs or the basic food to them. Okay, so up to this it is clear. Now next day we should we should know about the other things about the equality.